All right, let's see if we can get another one.
Gotcha, bitch!
I believe I can fly.
About back-to-back cast. This one really wants up here. Check that fish out right there. On that Housefly Spinner.
What's he doing with his finger? Never seen a fella do that before.
Okay, weirdo.
Why is that weird?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh my God! What is that?
Oh, that's nice.
There's a nice trout. Another trout on the Housefly Spinner. Doesn't fail, y'all, I'm telling you. Release this guy as well. And he's gone.